Hi there! It's great to see you again. Are you ready to learn? Welcome to Lesson 5. We have learned some basic topics in English, and now I hope you can answer these questions. So, are you ready? Just listen to my questions and answer them. What's your name? How old are you? What's your job? What's your hobby? Do you like drawing? Is he a pilot? This is about a picture. Answer the question about the picture. Is he a pilot? Are they shop assistants? Correct answers. Is he a pilot? No, he isn't. Are they shop assistants? No, they aren't. Wow, very well. Let's move forward. In today's lesson, I will teach you a little bit how to speak about the weather. Speaking about the weather is a very common topic for small talks. Small talks are some short informal conversations which you can have with different people in different situations just to avoid awkwardness and to create friendly atmosphere at that certain moment. So let's learn how to speak about the weather. If somebody asks you, what does the weather look like? You can say, it is, or a short form, it's. For example, what does the weather look like today? It's hot and sunny. In this picture, you can see vocabulary connected to weather. Weather can be sunny, rainy, cloudy. It might be lightning, stormy, hot, snowy, windy, cold. Now listen one more time and repeat after me. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, lightning, stormy, hot, snowy, windy, cold. Write down these words into your copybook and remember them. Now I'm going to show you a picture, and your task will be to answer this question. What does the weather look like? What does the weather look like? It's sunny. It's sunny. Let's do the same with another picture. What does the weather look like? Below zero. The temperature is below zero, so it is cold. It is cold. What does the weather look like? It's cloudy. It's cloudy. What does the weather look like? It's hot. It's hot. What does the weather look like? It's windy. It's windy. What does the weather look like? It's stormy. We don't have stormy here, but the correct word is stormy. It's stormy. What does the weather look like? It's lightning. It's lightning. What does the weather look like? It's rainy. It's rainy. What does the weather look like? It's snowy. It's snowy. If you need some more practice, go to previous slides, ask and answer the questions about the weather as many times as you need. We can ask somebody, do you like rainy weather? You can speak about specific weather. Do you like hot weather? Do you like stormy weather? Do you like cold weather? Do you like snowy weather? And so on. To answer this question, you can use yes, I do, I like rainy weather, or no, I don't. I don't like rainy weather. Now let's practice. I will ask you different questions about different types of weather, and your task is to answer those questions. For example, do you like sunny weather? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you like sunny weather? Do you like cold weather? Do you like cloudy weather? Do you like hot weather? Do you like windy weather? Do you like stormy weather? Do you like lightning? Do you like rainy weather? Do you like snowy weather? Perfect. Well done. I'm so proud of you. You can practice not only answering these questions, but asking them as well. Now let's do vice versa. You will be asking some questions and I will be answering. So you ask me, do you like snowy weather? Do you like sunny weather? And so on. Let's start with this. You say, do you like? I answer about myself. Yes, I do. Make a question. No, I don't. No, I don't. I don't like cloudy weather. No, I don't. I don't like hot weather. Question? No, I don't. I don't like windy weather. No, I don't. I don't like stormy weather. No, I don't. I don't like lightning. I am a bit afraid of it. No, I don't. I don't like rainy weather. Yes, I do. I like snowy weather. Very well. Let's go to the next slide. Our next topic for today is the verb have. The verb have is almost as much important as the verb to be in English. We use the verb have in many different ways. And this verb is a part of different expressions and phrasal verbs, so we learn it separately from other words. And I think this topic is extremely useful and you can use it every day in your life. So, the verb have is American version because in British English you will use have got. And it means to own something, to be an owner of something. For example, I have an iPhone. In British English, you will say, I have got an iPhone. In American English, you just say, I have an iPhone. I have glasses. These glasses belong to me. I'm an owner of my glasses. To have means to own something. Okay, let's have a look at this. There are two forms of the verb have and has. If I speak about myself, I use this form, have. I have glasses. The same if I speak about you. You have glasses. We have glasses. They have glasses. But for he, she, and it, we will use has. He has a house. She has long hair. It has a cat. It has many pages, if we speak about a book, for example. And it will be different for different pronouns. To make a positive form of the sentence with the verb have, we just say, I have a dog. And as far as you remember, usually we have three forms of the sentences. Positive sentences or affirmative, question or interrogative sentences, and negative sentences. To make a positive form, we just put the verb have after the doer of the action. For example, I have a dog. He has a dog. To make a question, we need to use auxiliary verbs do and does. We use do for I, you, we, they, and does for he, she, it. Look at this. I have a dog. Do you have a dog? He has a dog. Does she have a dog? And negative, I don't have a dog. She doesn't have a dog. Copy these rules into your notebook and remember them, please. This is the only possible correct structure of positive question and negative sentences with verb have. What you need to remember for now and for future are auxiliary verbs do and does. Do for I, you, they, does for he, she, it. Now let's speak about pets. Pets are some animals which are usually kept at somebody's house. Many people like having a cat or a dog in their houses. We can even say that somebody is a cat person or somebody is a dog person. I am a cat person. What about you? I hope you have already known these words, but let's move and see some other kinds of pets. So listen and repeat after me. A dog, a cat, a parrot, a hamster, a fish, a tortoise, a rabbit, a guinea pig. One more time, I say the words twice and you repeat after me. A dog, a dog, a cat, a cat, a parrot, a parrot, a hamster, a hamster, a fish, a fish, a tortoise, a tortoise, a rabbit, a rabbit, a guinea pig, a guinea pig. Good job. Now let's practice using have or has to make different sentences. You know that have we use for I, you, they, and has for he, she, it. So what shall we put here? Elsa, a dog. Elsa, have, has. Elsa has a dog because Elsa is she and we use the verb has with he, she, it. So Elsa has a dog. What about Maria? Maria has a parrot. Good job. Now pause this video and do this exercise in writing. Check your answers. Now have a look at your notes. Do you remember how to make question and negative forms? Okay, I will remind you shortly. For making a question form, we have to put do or does in the beginning. For making negative, don't or doesn't after the subject. So, I have a parrot. Do I have a parrot? I don't have a parrot. She has 3 dogs. Shall we use do? No, we shall use does because we have personal pronoun she. Does she have 3 dogs? She doesn't have 3 dogs. Pay attention that the verb has became the verb have here. If we have does, we don't have has anymore. So she has 3 dogs in positive form, but does she have 3 dogs in question? And she doesn't have 3 dogs. Again, has becomes have because it is negative sentence. Has is only for positive form. In negative and questions, we use don't have or doesn't have. Now do the same with sentences from 3 to 9. Pause this video and do this exercise in writing, then check your answers. Check your answers. It is very important to write down your sentences. The more you write, the better you remember things, especially when we speak about learning grammar. Now let's write a little bit more. Make sentences from the words. What shall you do? There are some sentences, all of them are positive ones. All you need is to put these words in a correct place to make sentences. Very easy. For example, has Ivan a parrot? Ivan has a parrot. Pause this video and do this exercise. Correct answers. Julia has 3 hamsters. Number 3. You have a guinea pig. Number 4. Sam has 10 fish. Number 5. I have 2 parrots. Number 6. Alisa has a tortoise. Number 7. You have 11 rabbits. Number 8. Sonia has 2 tortoises. Number 9. You have 5 fish. Wow, that's great. I'm so proud of you. Let's get to the next slide. You have made positive sentences. Now let's make questions. Start your question sentences with do or does. For example, Sonia, hamster. You need to ask a question about if she has it, yeah? So you do it like this. Does Sonia have a hamster? Do the same with other sentences, please. Make a pause and write down your sentences. Check your answers. Number 1. Does Jack have a parrot? Number 2. Do you have a tortoise? Number 3. Does Sam have a hamster? Number 4. Do you have a rabbit? Number 5. Does she have a guinea pig? Number 6. Do they have fish? Don't forget to put article if we have a word in singular. Does Jack have a parrot? Do you have a tortoise, a hamster, a rabbit, a guinea pig? Here we don't know exactly is this a singular or plural because you know that fish, one fish and many fish will remain the same. So in the last one, you can skip the article because we don't know how many. The last piece of work for today is a bonus page. Speak about yourself. Make a speech. Tell me about your name, your age, your profession, if you have or you don't have any pets, and your hobby. Make a short story. Oh, that was great. You can speak English. You can tell about yourself. That's so good. Now let's make a quick revision. What did you learn today? You learned how to speak about the weather, different types of weather, rainy, windy, hot, cold, and so on. Do you remember any of vocabulary connected to weather? We learned the verb have, different forms of it, positive, negative, and question forms. We learned a bit about pets. Do you remember any pets? What are the names of them? And do you have a pet? What pet do you have? How to answer this question? Yes, I do. I have a pet. I have a cat or a dog. Or no, I don't. Unfortunately, I don't have a pet right now. That was a great job. It was so nice to work with you today. I'm so happy to teach you some English. It might be hard sometimes when you are studying some basics, but just believe me, it is hard in the beginning, but it will be easier And you will use the same principles, you will use the same strategies to continue learning English in future. So I'm happy that you could start it, and I hope you will be able to finish these 32 lessons. And once you finish them, you will be able to speak a little English, to understand a lot, and to use English on your regular basis just to express yourself and to say everything you probably need. Have a great day and see you in our next lesson. Bye!